We got 2 sets of cabinet doors, 2 drawers. Really nice. Hey, the good folks over at CraftHome sent us over a 55-inch buffet to do a little box open, put it together, and then see what it looks like. Share that experience with you. So stick around, let's get her done. All right, we got the box open, and first thing we see is our instructions and a lot of wood. There you go. I'm out of here. We're gonna get it spread out kinda, and then we'll try to work right in there.
Okay, on number 2, get number 2 first. Yeah, just like that. Okay.
These are those little furniture screws. Yeah.
So in the middle hole on that end, right there, yeah. One there and one there.
Here?
There, yes. Six, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, on 6. Okay, show me the holes. Okay, and turn it back over right there. I'm gonna put 3 of these things.
These are even different looking.
Okay, and then one more goes in the side that has the cutout right there.
we have it. It wasn't that hard to put together, especially when you got some help doing it. Has the drawers, or the cabinet doors. We've got 2 sets of cabinet doors, 2 drawers. Really nice. So if you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order your very own. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate it. Really pretty, modern looking, easy to put together. It is heavy though. You need some help moving it around. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.